Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to talk about a new lesson which is adding and subtracting fractions. Febronia and Yasmin ordered a pizza. Febronia ate 1 over 8. Yasmin ate 2 over 8. How much pizza did they eat in all? In all from the adding words. So I will add 1 over 8 to 2 over 8. How can I add the fractions together? My numerators tells me how many pieces to count. My denominator tells me how many pieces are there in one whole. So Febronia ate 1 piece and Yasmin ate 2 pieces. It must be 3 pieces. That means I should add my numerators together. 1 and 2. I must add my numerators together. And remember that 8 is the denominator. Tells me how many pieces in a whole pizza. Just because Febronia ate some pizza and Yasmin ate some pizza, that doesn't mean that the number of pieces in a whole pizza is changed. So, when you add fractions with like denominators, add the numerators and keep the denominators the same. It will be 3 over 8. Here I have 4 over 8 plus 2 over 8. The denominators tells us to divide our model into 8 sections. The first fraction is 4 over 8. I'll shade 4 of 8 sections. The second fraction is 2 over 8. I'll shade 2 more sections. There are 6 1 over 8 sections shaded. So 4 over 8 plus 2 over 8 will be 6 over 8. Why? Because 4 plus 2 is 6 and we will keep 8 the same. Number B, 5 over 10 plus 2 over 10. The denominators tells us to divide our model into 10 sections. The first fraction is 5 over 10. So I'll shade 5 of 10 sections. The second fraction is 2 over 10. I'll shade 2 more sections. There are 7 1 over 10 sections shaded, so 5 over 10 plus 2 over 10 is 7 over 10. So we have to note or remember that to add fractions with like denominators, you have to add the numerators together and keep the denominators the same. Number A, 2 over 12 plus 4 over 12. It will be 6 over 12. Why? Because 2 plus 4 is 6 and we will keep 12 the same. B, 4 over 8 plus 1 over 8. 4 plus 1, it will be 5 and I will keep the 8 the same. 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4. 1 plus 3, it will be 4 and we will keep the 4, it will be 4 over 4. Number D, 4 over 8 plus 2 over 8. 4 plus 2 is 6 and we will keep 8. It will be 6 over 8. Number E, 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3. It will be 1 plus 1, 2 and we will keep 3. It will be 2 over 3. Number F, and the last one, 3 over 10 plus 6 over 10. 3 plus 6 is 9 and we will keep 10. It will be 9 over 10. Karas had 5 over 8 of a pizza and he gave Adam 3 over 8. How much pizza did Karas have? When he or Karas had 5 pieces and he gave Adam 3, I'll make it minus. When you subtract fractions with like denominators, subtract the numerators and keep the denominators the same. It's like the adding. So it will be 2 over 8. Number A, 6 over 8 minus 2 over 8. The denominators tells us to divide our model into 8 sections. The first fraction is 6 over 8. I'll shade 6 of them. The second fraction is 2 over 8. I'll take away 2 sections from the 6. There are 1 over 8 sections shaded. So 6 over 8 minus 2 over 8 is 4 over 8. Why? Because I'll subtract the numerators together. 6 minus 2, it will be 4, and keep the denominator the same. It will be 4 over 8. Number B, 7 over 10 minus 2 over 10. The denominator tells us to divide our model into 10 sections. The first fraction is 7 over 10, so I'll shade 7 of 10 sections. The second fraction is 2 over 10. I'll take away 2 sections from the 7. There are 1 over 10 sections shaded. So 7 over 10 minus 2 over 10 is 5 over 10. Why? Because 7 minus 2 is 5 and we will keep 10 the same. So we have to note or remember that to subtract fractions with like denominators, you have to subtract the numerators together and keep the denominators the same. Number A, 6 over 7 minus 2 over 7. 6 minus 2, it will be 4, and we will keep the 7. Number B, 8 over 9 minus 3 over 9. 8 minus 3, it will be 5, and we will keep the 9, it will be 5 over 9. Number C, 3 over 4 minus 2 over 4. 3 minus 2, it will be 1, and we will keep 4, it will be 1 over 4. Number D, 10 over 12 minus 2 over 12. 10 minus 2, it will be 8, and we will keep the 12, it will be 8 over 12. Number E, 7 over 8 minus 3 over 8. It will be 4 over 8. Number F, 9 over 10 minus 2 over 10. 9 minus 2, it will be 7, and we will keep 10. Remark, put the fraction in its simplest form to do the addition or subtraction more easily. What's the meaning of this? 1 minus 1 over 8. 1 is 1 whole. 2, let my denominator to be 8. So I'll multiply this 1 by 8 up and down. It will be 8 over 8. So now I have 8 over 8 minus 1 over 8. It's easy to me to make subtraction now. 8 minus 1, it will be 7. And we will keep 8, it will be 7 over 8. Dots over 5 plus 1 over 5 equals 1. 1 means I multiply by 5 to give me I must have the same denominator. So it will be 5 over 5. So what plus 1 equals 5? It will be 4 plus 1 equals 5. So 4 over 5 plus 1 over 5, it will be 1 or 5 over 5. Thank you.